Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is an evening dress. It took a lot of time and hard work to make it, but the result is amazing. I want to show you how this dress was made, for you to learn how to work with such fabrics. The fabric is very complicated. Sequins are pretty big, bugle beads are long. It's much easier to work with small details. Such big ones should be removed from fabric and then attached back after stitching seams. You need to make sure that a needle gets right in between the lines. It's also very important to take into consideration that the sequins and the bugle beads are pretty heavy. Let me tell you about the design. The dress is pretty wide. We had to pin it to the dummy for you to see how it looks like. The dress fits the body perfectly. The waistband was stitched here. It looks like there's a wrap over on the front, but actually this is just an imitation. The waistband is stitched here, and this edge was attached to the lower layer by hands. This is just an imitation of wrap over. It's not easy to make such dress. Cut the dress, the lining, then put these details on a dummy or just put them on. After that, you can start pinning the lining to the dress. This is the only way to do it accurately. You will never do it right on a table. The wrap over is edged with a double net. It was cut in a bias. It should also be pinned this way. Have a look at it. There is no facing in this dress. Sequined fabric, net on the edges, and black lining. The net goes to the slit on the back. Have a look at it. There is a small buttonhole here. The slit ends with a zipper. As I've already said, the techniques are very complicated. Have a look at the sleeves. The sleeve head is gathered a bit. We remove the sequins and the bugle piece to do it, and then attach them back. There is something attached here on the wrong side for the sleeves to be of such an amazing shape. As I've already said, the fabric is pretty heavy. There is no chest dart here, so the dress is pretty wide. I think that it looks amazing. The sleeves end with cuffs. They are very stylish. I love such dresses. Have a look here. The sleeves are lined. There are 2 buttons and 2 buttonholes on the cuffs. I asked the girls who made this dress why they didn't line the cuffs, but make them of the same fabric on the wrong side. They said that the customer had asked for it. I personally think that this is not a good idea. I'd better line the cuffs. I don't know why the customer asked for it. Let's have a look at the dress once again. This is not a real wrap over, it's just an imitation. The waistband is stitched to the dress. There is concealed zipper on the center back. There is also a button slit at the back. The sleeves end with cuffs. Next, I'll put the dress on the table to show you the wrong side. I saw a lot of different sequin dresses. Notice that such dresses are usually very simple. This is because it's very hard to stitch them. I've never seen a sequin dress which is as complicated as this one. This is what bespoke tailoring is for. We had a close look at this dress from the right side, and now I wanted to have a close look from the wrong side. The dress is very heavy. Have a look here. The details, which had been detached for stitching, were later attached back with silver threads. The techniques used for making this dress are very complicated. Notice that there are silver threads on the wrong side of all the seams. As I've already said, we had to remove the decorations to stitch the seams. We use silver threads because they look much better than the black ones on the wrong side. It took a lot of hard hand work to make this dress. Have a look at the sleeves. The sleeve head was edged with the same net from the wrong side. The girls attached this small piece of fiber felt for the sleeve head to be stronger. I've never seen such thing before. Have a look at this seam. The girls did an amazing job. When attaching sequins and bugle beads, they also attached the net and fixed the lining. Absolutely amazing. There is just one seam here. I think that the dress is very beautiful. Today I showed you a review of this amazing dress. I'm happy that I can share my knowledge and experience with you. I show you a lot of techniques we create ourselves. To be honest, I've never seen such things before. That's all for today. Don't be afraid of complicated fabrics and designs. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.